If you want to connect printer on the Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, first of all we need to go to settings. Over here in settings we need to proceed to connect the devices, then you want to go to connection preferences, and then we should be able to find the printing option. We can start by going to the default print service, and then in here there's a chance that you will find your printer, but if not, then you can go to add service. You will open the Play Store, and then in here you want to download the plugin or the service for the specific app that is of course suitable for your printer, and then with that service or plugin you might be able to find your printer over there. And in some other cases you have to download a specific app for your printer. Unfortunately, I cannot really tell you which app or what kind of app you need to get for your printer, simply because in that case every printer needs their own specific apps. So what you need to do is you need to check the manual of your printer and to look for any information about pairing the printer on Android smartphones or smartphones in general. So you should be able to get the app from the Play Store as well. I believe it should be for free. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.